Hi friends, and welcome to another video of Indian Rounder. In this video we are going to see how to make a simple program to find the sum of the digits of a given number. So firstly we will take a public class and its name, then the public void, and we will take one int or integer as a parameter or argument. After that we will initialize two integers, which is sum, and the value will be 0, and the b, which will be undefined. Then we will start the loop. Here I have taken while loop, but the same program could have been made with for loop also. After that n is bigger than or equal to 1, so this program will be executed till the value of n is bigger than or equal to 1. After that b is equal to b modulus 10. So the answer of the b modulus 10, so whatever will be the number, the last digit of the number will be separated or will be left as the remainder when you divide the number by 10. So this is a very basic mathematical concept. Sum is equal to sum plus b, so b will be the value of the last digit, and sum is equal to sum plus the last digit, whatever it would be. Then n is equal to n divided by 10. So when n will be divided by 10, suppose a number 17, it is divided by 10, 1.7, but the value we have taken, we have initialized was an integer. So 1.7, the 7 will not be taken, only 1, so last digit will be removed from the number and the number will become the leftover part. So this loop will be executed as many times as the value of n would not become 0, and then it will be system.out.print the sum. Sum is the value of addition of all the our digits. So obviously there is no syntax error in this program. After this we will go and we will run it, and we will enter a value like 1 2 3 4. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, and our answer is 10. So I hope you all would have understood how to make this program. This is a very easy program for basically students. So thanks for watching my channel and my video.